Hello everybody. For today's video, we're going to continue on our series of flexibility, range of motion, and stretching. We're doing all of these on the floor, and like most clients, they're starting in the bed. So they're doing these stretches right when they wake up, before they get out of the bed. And then once they feel comfortable with that, then they're going to move to the floor. We have several videos. I'm breaking down each muscle group, and then I'm going to put it together in a whole flow, like meditative full body stretch. So moving on, we're going to go with the calves. So extend your legs straight forward, and if you can reach, you're just going to pull them back. Now if you can't quite reach, that's okay. Grab a band or something, a string, something, and then put it on your feet and just slightly pull the toes back and try to sit up really tall. Just make sure you feel a stretch in your calf muscles. Okay, from there, we're going to work on the lower back. So what you can do is just lay on your belly, nice and straight, and you could try to push up. If you can get your elbows under your shoulders and arch your back a little bit, you'll feel a stretch in your lower back. And just breathe through the stretch. Now, if you don't feel a stretch here, you can place your hands right by your shoulders and push up and push into the ground and lift up the upper chest. Like, don't let your shoulders be in your ears. Really push it up. And you'll feel a nice stretch in the core as well. Now another thing you can do, so you're gonna line up your hands underneath your shoulders and your knees are under your hips. And then you're going to arch. And then you're going to push away and round out that spine. And back down. And push away, round it out. Now drop down and extend the arms. We're stretching the lats. Okay, you can take one hand and go underneath the other arm. And back up and switch sides. And bring it up. Okay, go ahead and get on your back. You're gonna lift into a 90 degree and you're gonna drop to one side, extend both hands, and then you're gonna open it up and follow and just hold. Try to relax. Keep your hips stacked. And back over, and again. And back over. Okay, switch sides. And down, stack the hips, 90 degree angle, and you open it up and you follow it. Keep your hips stacked. And close and open. And close. Another way you can do this one is back on the knees, and you can reach. You can put one hand behind your head and open it up and close. Open, close, close. Let's switch. Open, close. So this is in your thoracic spine. So the hips don't move. One more. Okay. So now if you want, go ahead and bring that arm across. We'll get some shoulders. And this is a good assessment to see if you have full range of motion in the shoulder girdle. Go all the way up, go behind the head, take the other one and go underneath. Now if your fingers touch, that means you have full range of motion. And just try to get this elbow away from the head and sit up really tall. And relax. Bring the other one across. All the way up, back, and underneath. So don't push it here. Be nice and gentle on the shoulders. And the more you do it, the more flexible you will get. And relax. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said, I'm going through all the muscle groups and then I'm going to put it together in a nice long format video where we can just take it slow and be more of a flow type stretch. So I hope you enjoyed this. Please don't forget to subscribe and like and comment if you find this video helpful. Thank you so much. Bye.